Hello, in this video we will show you how to configure streaming settings in your AREC Media Station. Log in to the administrator page with your credentials. Then go to Video, Streaming. At the top of the page you will find the video compression settings, where you can choose one of the predefined profiles or make your own by selecting User Defined. If you select User Defined, an ellipsis button will appear. Click this button if you wish to change the resolution, bitrate, and H.264 profile. On AREC Media Stations, streaming profiles can be different from recording profiles, and so you can set a lower resolution for streaming if needed. However, your streaming resolution cannot be higher than the recording profile. So, if a resolution you need is not in the list, you must first increase the resolution of your recording profile going to Video, Recording. Most streaming platforms will provide a list of the recommended parameters for streaming to them. For the best experience, make sure to double check these parameters before starting a live stream and adjust the streaming profile to match them. Scrolling down, you will see two identical looking groups called Streaming Settings and Streaming Settings 2. Most media stations can produce two independent streams using different protocols, including RTMP and RTMPS, RTP and SRT, besides the local RTSP and NDI streams. The live streaming menu allows you to choose how the station will stream. Off means no streaming. Together with recording, the station will start and stop streaming at the same time with the recording. Streaming always, the station will continuously stream to the link you enter as long as it is valid. And Enable Streaming button, the streaming can be started and stopped separately from the recording. When there is at least one stream with this mode selected, a button for live streaming control gets activated on the graphical user interface and the online director. It also becomes possible to control streaming in other ways, such as using RS2 commands and TCP. Then Protocol allows you to choose the protocol you want to use for this live stream. On the latest AREC Media Stations, you can choose between RTMP, RTP, and SRT. Note that to stream using RTMPS, you also need to choose RTMP as the protocol. Then the URL field is where you enter the server URL and the stream key of the streaming platform. The format depends on the platform and the chosen protocol. By clicking the ellipsis button, you can also enter a username and password if it is required by the platform. Now let's practice how to set up a stream to YouTube and Twitch as examples. For YouTube, first go to YouTube Studio by clicking on your avatar picture and then YouTube Studio. This will open the channel dashboard. From here, you can click on Go Live or click Create and then Go Live. From here, we need to copy the stream URL from YouTube and then paste it in the URL field of the media station. Add a / and now we need the stream key. Go back to YouTube and you can either select a stream key or create a new one. I already have one for this example, so I just copy, go back to AREC and then paste it. For this stream, I want it to be together with recording and then I hit apply. For Twitch, the stream URL is this one right here. So I will copy and paste it and then add a /. Now to get the stream key, we go to Profile, Creator Dashboard, then on the left Settings, Stream, and from here we can copy the primary stream key. Go back to AREC and input the key. This one, I want it to always be streaming as long as the station is on. So I hit apply. Now, going to the online director, we can see that there is one live already going, and if I start recording, then the second one will also start. We can confirm this by going to Twitch, Stream Manager, and we can see that the video is already coming. And on YouTube, we can also check that the stream is active at the moment, and the stream health is excellent. Going back to our administrator page, video streaming, there are two more settings that we can activate here. NDI stream will enable the station to output its mixed video as an NDI stream, and SRT will enable the station to stream its mixed video as an SRT stream. And that is all you need to do to configure streaming with your AREC Media Station. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more training videos and reach us at www.a-dena.com.